Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the freshaudio.net browser notifications. These notifications display pretty scary and faulty messages saying that you need to press allow button for song download. So obviously these pop-ups may periodically attack browsers, and especially after people visit some file sharing or file download websites. Often downloading music and video files through internet is not really legal. This may violate copyright laws, and then these malicious websites may also force people into displaying and subscribing to the annoying web push notifications. So freshaudio.net website may be integrated with some of such illegal file download platforms. Clicking on the allow button is strongly not recommended because this way your browser may be hijacked, you may be forwarded to some other junk sites, and you may start getting a lot of ads randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. If you have clicked on allow, be sure to immediately fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings, and in permissions select notifications. Pay attention to the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Once you find this freshaudio.net or other malicious websites, click on this related button and remove these sites from the list. I also recommend you to research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could be the part of your system. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.